Welcome, boys. I'm just setting her up because we're about to hit a milestone, about to hit 150,000 miles. When the turbo odometer hits sevens, that's whenever the counter on the far right moves up to the next digit. So, cut back in a little bit once we hit 150,000. Alright, boys. In less than 1 minute at this speed, we'll have 150,000 miles, and we're all going to see it together. Something more satisfying about seeing the numbers all roll to the next milestone as opposed to, the digital version. Digital one's just not quite as satisfying, As some numbers change digitally, 1 second, they look one way, you blink, the next second there's something else. That's a little more satisfying. And since this is the only car I own at the moment that still has this style of odometer, as I got rid of the 84 Vet, we're going to watch it together here, boys. Yay! 150,000. Well, I hope it was as satisfying for you boys as it was for me. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, boys.